Hey there, welcome to Phonics. Happy Monday. Today you are going to identify the name and shape of the letter I and J. It's really important to know the letter name and shape in the whole alphabet so you can see the letters when you read. Let's get started. We're going to do a warm-up first. We're going to read this poem. This poem is titled Jack and Jill. I'm going to read it 2 times. Your job is to listen for rhyming words. What are rhyming words again? Rhyming words are words that sound the same. All right, let's get started. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Did you hear the rhyming words? Awesome. I'm going to read them one more time. Lock those rhyming words in your brain. The title is Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. All right, let's look at the first 2 lines. What 2 rhyming words do we have here? It says, Jack and Jill went up the hill. What are our rhyming words there? Good job. Jill, hill. Jill, ill, hill, ill. Great job. What about over here? Jack fell down and broke his crown. What are our 2 rhyming words there? Our rhyming words. Down, crown. Down, own, crown, own. Great job. Let's keep going. Today, we are going to learn the name and form of 2 letters. The first letter we're going to learn is the letter I. Everyone say I. Good job. This is the letter I. This is a capital I and lowercase I. Say that with me. Capital I, lowercase I. Very good job. I is a very special letter because it is one of our vowels. Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. Great job. That is our letter I. This is our letter J. Everyone say J. J. Very good job. This is the capital J, and this is the lowercase j. Very good. Say that with me. Capital J, lowercase j. Awesome. Now we know the names of the letter I and letter J. Let's get to know them a little bit better. This is going to be a story about the letter I. Before I read the story, what do you see in the picture? Very good. Yes, there is a house, there is a pig, and there are 3 little pigs. I wonder what the story is about. Let's read to find out. Remember, the name of this letter is the capital I and the lowercase I. Here we go. This little piggy likes to spin and stitch. This little piggy likes to dig a ditch. This little piggy likes to lift some bricks, but this little piggy wants to play some tricks. I have an idea. Let's read this poem again, and let's find which little piggy we are talking about. Capital I, lowercase I. This little piggy likes to spin and stitch. Which little piggy is that? Likes to spin and stitch. Yeah, I think it's this little piggy sitting right here. Good job. Let's keep going. This little piggy likes to dig a ditch? Which little piggy are we talking about here? Good job. Yep, I think this one, he is digging a ditch. Good job. This little piggy likes to lift some bricks. Which little piggy is lifting bricks? Yeah, this one right here. Very good job. Those are called bricks. But this little piggy wants to play some tricks. Which little piggy is that? Some tricks. Good. Yeah, I think it's this one. He's laughing over there. Good job. Alrighty, I'm going to read it one more time, all the way through. As I read, I want you to touch the piggy we're talking about. Here we go. This little piggy likes to spin and stitch. This little piggy likes to dig a ditch. This little piggy likes to lift some bricks. But this little piggy wants to play some tricks. Good job. Nice listening. Good, good. All right, that's our letter I. Let's talk about our letter J. What do you see in this picture? Good. Yeah, you see people walking down the street. Maybe it's a parade because there's people cheering them on. Someone's buying something over here. Let's read about our letter J. This is the capital J and lowercase j. Let's read our story for J. Julie jumps just for fun. Jaden jokes with everyone. Jenny judges homemade jam. Jenna jogs with puppy Sam. Jordan juggles jacks and toys. July's a month of jumbo joys. Wow, I saw so many words in our poem that has the letter J. I see the capital J and lowercase j. Very good job. Now, let's see if we can figure out how many children are in this parade. How many? We're going to count every time we hear a name in the poem. When you hear a name, put a finger up. Here we go. Capital J, lowercase j. Julie jumps just for fun. Jaden jokes with everyone. Janny judges homemade jam. Jenna jogs with puppy Sam. Jordan juggles jacks and toys. July's a month of jumbo joys. How many children were in that poem? 5. Very good job. There were 5 children in that poem. Let's see. Let's count. How many do we see in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's an extra one. Awesome. So there's 6 children. Now, I'm going to read it one more time. This is your challenge question. Let's see if you know what month we're talking about here. Capital J, lowercase j. Julie jumps just for fun. Jaden jokes with everyone. Janny judges homemade jam. Jenna jogs with puppy Sam. Jordan juggles jacks and toys. July's a month of jumbo joys. What month are we talking about here? July. We're talking about the month of July. Good job. All right, now that we know the name of the letter, let's look at the form of the letter. This right here is the letter I. This is how you do the capital I. You do little line, big line, little line. Do that with me with your finger. 1, 2, ready, go. Little line, big line, little line. One more time. Little line, big line, little line. Awesome. If you have paper, go ahead and write the capital I. If you don't, that's okay. You can watch me and practice forming it with your finger. So again, little line, big line, little line. That's our capital I. All right, let's move on. This is our lowercase I. It's a little line and a dot. Do that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Little line, dot. One more time. Little line, dot. Good job. Now, we don't need this dot to be really big. It's just a little dot. This is how you do it. Little line, dot. Right? Not a big dot, just a tiny one. All right, go ahead and write those two letters now. When you're done, put your pencil down. I'm going to give you 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencil down. Good job. Now we did the letter I. Let's do the capital J. This is our letter J. You just do it like a hook, like you're fishing. You bring it down and scoop it up. That's the capital J. You bring it down, scoop it up. Try it with me. Get your finger out. 1, 2, ready, go. Bring it down, scoop it up. One more time. Bring it down, scoop it up. Awesome job. Let me write it for you. This is our capital J. You start at the top, bring it down, scoop it up. Awesome job. Some people like to give it a top hat like this, just like our I. You can do that if you want. Now, this is how we do the lowercase j. You do the scoop and it goes fishing, it goes underneath the bottom line, and then you give it a dot. Just like the I. You scoop it down, give it a dot. Let me show, let's do it with our magic finger. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Scoop it down, give it a dot. Good job. One more time. Bring it down, give it a dot. Good. Let me show you. You bring it down below the line, right? Lower than your J, and then give it a dot. Again, it doesn't have to be a big dot. It can be a little, it should be a little dot. All right. Go ahead and write those if you have the paper. If not, you can practice one more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. That is all I have for you today. You did great. I want you to go on Flipgrid and tell me the name and show me the form of the letter. You can show me the name, the form of the letter using your paper, or if you have Play-Doh, you can do it with Play-Doh. Awesome job, kindergartners. I'm so proud of you. Go on Flipgrid now. Bye-bye.